Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Kent Island, and today I'm going to showcase for you this 2023 Aviara 32 Outboard that I just took in on trade. She does have the 400s. This boat was normally done with 350s. It is a fantastically well-maintained 2023. We sold new. We just, boats change. And I want to make sure that this one gets a good home. So, if you don't know Aviara, first of all, stadium seating, all right? For any of you that have ever been to an air show, right, being able to put 6 back here, right, and under the shade while you're waiting for the show to start is an absolutely great way to spend the afternoon. We've got a huge cockpit area, table mount right there. So you need to sit on an Aviara to appreciate it because these seats are angled. They're not straight up and down. It's actually comfortable to sit in them, and you've got plenty of room. All right, I've got cup holders, phone holders, everything. I've got a fridge. Kind of got to have room for bottles and a sink. In addition to the fridge, we've got a nice cooler as well. Right. The helm is my favorite place, and this is an amazing setup with 3 screens. Right, my Aviara screen, I've got my L1 set up for chart, and of course my Simrad for my Mercuries. She does have trim tabs, and of course joystick with auto trim for the engines. It's a huge head. I might need to just zoom out to show you just how big this is and how deep this is on a 32-foot boat. And that goes to the quality of the build and how deep a V it is. This is an amazing riding boat, and you've got to experience it to really fall in love with it, because a lot of people like to sit in the front and look at how deep that bow is, right? You want to keep your people calm, comfortable, and dry. This is the boat to do it. This is a 2023 Aviara 32 Outboard. My name is Chris Whitman with MarineMax Kent Island. Let's take it for a spin.